what's up everyone, how's it going? Rob here, MotoLabDirtBikes.com. When it comes to choosing to have someone do your suspension, whether you decide to go with us or not, make sure you do your due diligence and research the person behind, right? Make sure that they've got some formal training or some history. We're seeing a lot of pop-up shops come up, where someone might buy into like a K-Tech or a Race Tech, all of a sudden, and they're claiming to be some professional or expert. Well, that's not the case. I mean, we're seeing this stuff come in on a daily basis, and it's been the same way for years. We've seen them come, and we watch them go. Happens all the time, and they do a great job of absolutely kicking themselves in the ass, and unfortunately taking your money in the process, right? So, simple oversights, man. We see stuff and stuff being flipped upside down and not being installed correctly, or they're forgetting pieces, and this is a great case in point here, where just a simple oversight just turns into a catastrophe, right? So if you don't have, for example, on this beta fork, if you don't have the correct preload, it has this small metal ring, this washer on here. Well, what once was a metal washer is now turned into several pieces and absolutely blew up this fork, right? So it just galled and scraped all the hard surface coating off there, as well inside and out. Absolutely blasted the spring guide, not only on the top here, but mangled the bottom as well. And then, of course, your bottom out cup there, you can see where the washer just wedged in and pinched it at the bottom of the spring guide where it came in and just ruined it. So you're seeing stuff like this all the time. It seems more so frequently now than before, but just make sure you're doing your due diligence. We're detail-oriented, have a long history, and we're here for the long haul. Like I said, always happy to help out and, answer any questions that are needed. So, hey, thanks as always for tuning in. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out, MotoLabDirtBikes.com, or shoot us an email at info@MotoLabDirtBikes.com. And, of course, we're always available by phone, 423-900-2233. Thanks so much, and we'll see you guys in the next one.